Welcome to What's Cookin' at Camposasso. We are Rebecca and Pierre, and we live between Florence and Chianti Classico with our two sons, Julian and Oliver, and our Australian Shepherd, Frisbee. We met each other while Rebecca, was guiding a Tuscan wine tour, and Pierre was visiting as a winemaker from France. Fast forward 15 years, we now run Grape tours together, opened Formaggioteca Terroir, a cheese and wine bar in Florence, and recently we finished renovating our farmhouse Camposasso, where we make olive oil, wine, and aged cheese. We love good wine and food, so we're inviting some of our favorite foodies to cook here at Camposasso to share a recipe and tell their stories. Sonia Francesco, welcome. Welcome to Camposasso. So nice to see you. And this is Frisbee. Welcome. I'm so excited to have you here. Did you see something in the building of Camposasso?
Ma è vera? Sul serio?
Try.
Posso aprire?
Yeah.
Spera!
Un bicchiere di vino!
Salute! Grazie! Welcome!
Nostro vino.
Are you ready to come in and see the rest of Camposasso?
Sarà un piacere. Io sono Francesco Cacciatore.
Io sono Sonia Wiesmann, sono la moglie di Francesco e sono la chef del ristorante Albergaccio di Castellina. Facciamo una cucina di territorio con uno sguardo un po' al futuro.
Oggi andremo a fare dei testaroli con timo, noci, un formaggio caprino stagionato che ci proporrà Pierre e pomodoro fresco.
Welcome inside my cheese cellar at Camposasso. I'm Pierre, and I was born on a sheep farm in France, where the famous French blue cheese, Roquefort, is made. After many years of being a winemaker in France, I'm now dedicated to the complex art of selecting, maturing, and refining cheese. Because of the special conditions in our cheese cellar concerning humidity, temperature, and ventilation, I can bring cheeses to their perfect maturation. Then, I bring them to the Formaggioteca Terroir in Florence, where you can taste them.
Ciao! Ciao Sofia, ciao Francesco. Come with me?
Si sceglie il formaggio?
Sì, questo è il paradiso. What kind of cheese do you need with Sonia?
Got cheese.
Goat cheese.
Little more aged.
So a bit with the crust, with the rind. So.
Yes.
Actually, I have this with a nice rind, orange.
Okay.
It's made in Italy, Italian one. Sonia,
Scelto?
we have this for you.
Buonissimo.
With Francesco, we decided to select this cheese with a special wine like this.
Ok, penso sia perfetto per il piatto.
Going to cut in two.
Sì, tagliamo metà e portiamo in cucina.
So you take traditional dishes from around Tuscany and you change them with your own personal philosophy, right?
Sì, partiamo sempre da qualcosa di tradizionale, di classico. E poi dopo magari ci mettiamo un po' di fantasia e un po' di personalizzazione nostra.
You use a lot of goat cheese in your cuisine?
Sì, adoperiamo tanti tipi di formaggio a seconda delle...
Il formaggio è molto usato nella nostra cucina perché ci piace tanto.
So I have to ask you about your history. I know that you've had Albergaccio, the restaurant since 1989. But how far back do you two go as a couple? And how did it happen?
Era l'agosto del 1979, ma c'era anche lei in ferie all'isola di Capraia. Io sono appassionato di pesca e stavo pescando sul molo del porticciolo. Quando una folata di vento mi ha portato il cappello in acqua e siccome lei stava facendo il bagno, me l'ha preso e me l'ha riportato. E mi è sembrato carino invitarla la sera così a uscire. E da allora praticamente è cominciata la storia.
No, you have 3 children. Are they all involved in the family business?
Sono sempre stati nel ristorante. E Pietro è quello che si è seguito le orme, diciamo, praticamente il braccio destro, anche di più, in cucina con me. Ecco, le altre 2 figlie ci aiutano un po', però insomma fanno altri lavori. Ecco.
Has it been difficult to combine the fact that you are a family with children, etc., with a restaurant business?
È abbastanza difficile perché questo è un lavoro che mi impegna molto. Diciamo ci ha aiutato la scelta che proprio dall'inizio, proprio per cercare di renderlo un po' più umano, diciamo così, abbiamo scelto di stare chiusi la domenica.
For the dough, begin by pouring the water into a bowl. Then add the extra virgin olive oil and a pinch of salt. Slowly incorporate the flour into the mixture using a whisk until you get a smooth batter. Heat a non-stick pan with a touch of extra virgin olive oil, and once it's hot, pour in the batter to create the pancakes. Ensure the pancakes are well cooked by flipping them several times. After they have cooled, slice them into diamond shapes, and now you have testaroli. In another pan, heat some extra virgin olive oil and then add the walnuts and thyme. Toast them for a few minutes before deglazing with a spoonful of hot water. In the meanwhile, boil the testaroli in a pot with salted water for about 2 minutes. Then drain and throw them into the pan with the walnuts and thyme. Add the diced tomatoes to the mix and stir everything together and plate. Top the dish with a generous amount of aged Caprino goat cheese. Wow, what do we have here, do you think? Yummy. Oh, it's beautiful.
Frisbee,
what do you think, Frisbee?
Not for you, Frisbee.
That looks wonderful.
It's super nice.
Yes, so for this dish, I have chosen Laura, that I know is a wine you know very well, Chianti Classico, from the winery Quaceto di Castellina, which is in your neighborhood. So we're going on a match of personalities, also because this is where you guys do a vineyard dinner every summer, right? Several times.
A Castellina in Chianti.
A Castellina in Chianti.
A Camposasso.
So, my friends, don't you feel like cooking up some testaroli now? The traditional recipe, which hails from the Lunigiana region, is with pesto, but Sonia's version is as delicious, and the Caprino goat cheese just adds to the yumminess. If you're ever in the Chianti region, make sure to experience Albergaccio di Castellina in person. Thank you so much for coming here to Camposasso and sharing this fantastic recipe with us and with everybody who gets to see this. I have to say that it actually looked very easy. I'm going to try and do it, and hopefully it is just as easy as it looks. But it was delicious, so thank you so much.
Grazie a voi di averci ospitato. Prosit.
Find all the info in the comments below, and if you've enjoyed it, please give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching along with us. You will find the recipe in the comments below. Remember that you can take a wine tour in Tuscany with Grape tours, and you can taste our cheeses in Florence at Formaggioteca Terroir. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, so we'll see you soon back here at Camposasso for a new recipe.